Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. Oh man, have I missed you guys. I am so sorry. I feel like I always apologize every single time for not making videos, and I know there's still a few of you guys out there that hit me up constantly asking when the next video is. Honestly, I just don't really have much to do. I mean, let me give you guys a quick rundown of things. So IS is right here. Been driving it for the past 2-3 months. It's my daily again because the summer I'm trying not to drive the ES because the wrap starts to fail. It's hot. I don't really want it to overheat. Not that it overheats, but I just don't want to give it any reason to overheat. It's been under the car cover for about 2.5 months now, so I haven't driven it. I started it up for the first time last week and it was perfectly fine. There's a few things that I do need to do in terms of maintenance. I have things planned for this too. I want to try to camber out the rear, maybe throw on some bigger spacers so then it can poke out a little bit more, and then we'll see how much camber we can do, maybe match the front so it looks a little bit better. I also have to re-wrap the rear bumper just on the top, so that's not going to be too bad. So we definitely have some maintenance, and I think I'm just going to start making videos again where I'm just hanging out with you guys and just doing random shit to my car, whether it's maintenance or like a new mod or something. So with this car, a lot of stuff that we need to address. We got some boo-boos here. Got a boo-boo there. You guys know nothing has changed. Everything's still the same. I actually wrapped this. It doesn't match. It's a completely different black, but just so it looks okay from far away, but it doesn't look that great. We got dings here, and yeah, I don't really feel like hiring a painter and paying all this money to get the bumper fixed and resprayed again, because this will be like, I don't know, the 9th or 10th time, and it always just seems to get messed up. So this time I'm going to take it in my own hands. And the reason why the bumper keeps getting messed up and stuff is because my old painter, I guess he did not sand the bumper down to the bare material. So it does stuff like this. You see this? Yeah, that is not good. You see, bubbles up and now it's cracking and just lifting and all that. I didn't know that, and safe to say I'm not getting things painted again by this person, but I am going to just sand all this stuff and wrap it and see if that'll just make it look a little bit better. Have some materials here. I have a bunch of different grit sandpapers. I have this cool little brick thing that's very convenient so I could sand more easily, and then we have some Avery wrap, I believe, unless it's 3M, I don't remember, but either way we got some wrap that will look good on this. All right, first things first, let's take this off. Pretty sure it's gonna take the clear coat with it, but fuck it, whatever. We're gonna sand it down anyways. Oh, look at that. Take it all, take it all. Took a good hour and a half, but we're finally done. It's not the prettiest, like I said. This is just for now until I go ahead and get a paint job. It's all one color, but you could see, dude, there's so much paint caked on there that I got all the clear coat off, but I couldn't get all the paint, and it was just gonna take too long. And then we got this side. This side looks a little better from certain angles, but you get close enough, you can tell. Whatever, honestly, it looks good from far away, which is what we want. I also went ahead and took off this cooked APR front splitter carbon trim. Look at that, took it off. Looks so weird without it, but it's so cooked. I got this sometime last year and finally gonna be able to put this on, and I think it'll make this front end look a lot cleaner. God damn, I hate this car. Such a clapped shit box now. And here's the new trim. You can see it looks a lot better, brand new. Has adhesive inside, so all I have to do is just get this on and trim it. All right guys, after another 35 minutes, I think I'm finally done. Everything is on. My lovely assistant swooping for me, thank you. I also partially wrapped here. This is also gonna need a paint job too, like I said, but they're just eyelids, it's not the end of the world. Everything looks good from 3 feet away. Not 10, 3 feet. Wrapped over here too, this one looks really good. And I also wrapped a few boo-boos that I had over here. I mean, if you go on certain lighting, you can see every single seam and piece that I use, but like I said, we are exactly 3 feet away and it looks great. Finally, so this doesn't mean that the car is show ready by any means, but at least I can take it out, maybe take photos, or just feel comfortable driving it again and not hate it. But I still do hate it. It needs a paint job for the front bumper, but in due time, because the fenders also need to get painted too, and I also need to fix the vents in the hood. This, that is disgusting. You can see it right there. This thing has been neglected, but it's okay. It's a daily driver, we still drive it. And next up, we are going to do every single fluid on this car. All right guys, it is the next day and we are here at my uncle's shop. We're doing all the fluids. We're doing diff fluid, trans fluid, coolant flush, oil change, and AC recharge. Last time I was here, I didn't have these side skirts, so yeah, we're gonna have to remove them to be able to jack up the car. We're about to lift my car in the air. I feel like I have not seen my car up in the air in so long, so we can go underneath, proof check everything. I'll probably check the bags out. And so Nam, what are we gonna start with first? The oil change or?
Yeah, oil change.
Okay, this is my Uncle Nam. He did my transmission drain and fill last time, back around 30,000 miles, so I'm about to hit 67. I thought I might as well do it to be a little more preventative, because before I didn't do it and my transmission was slipping, so I'd rather just get it over with now. It's been a while since you guys have seen the engine bay. It's still red. It's been a while since you guys have seen this. This is my custom one-of-one exhaust setup. Let's check how everything is. Bags seem to be good. No sign of rubbing. Bags seem good. Ooh, PBM though. Bags seem great. No rubbing. Clearance is good. Lower control arm bushing, still good. Still good. While my uncle drained and put the new diff fluid, I was taking out all the spider webs. There's so many spider webs because from 2022 until now, we're in 2025, I've only driven the car 6,000 miles. So there's a butt ton of spider webs, dead spiders I had to get off. For the diff fluid, it is 1.4 quarts, I think. And pretty much done. That was it?
Yeah.
That was so fast.
Yeah, just empty and then it's full. So.
If I did this at home, it would have taken me a whole day. It'd take me like 3 hours to get the car in the air. Now we're doing the transmission fluid. After this, we're gonna flush the coolant just to drain the system. Why not? I heard that if you leave coolant there for a while, it gets acidic, so I don't wanna risk it. And AC recharge and we're done. And we also have the oil change, but that's easy. That's gonna be next if anything. So yeah, almost done. My uncle has everything taken care of for the most part. He doesn't really need me anymore. Car's aired up, he's good to go. We're gonna go eat at one of my favorite spots here. I haven't been to this location, but we're gonna grab something to eat because we are starving. If you guys don't know, this is Vietnamese cuisine. If you guys are ever in Orange County, come to Brodard. If you guys come here, you have to get this. This is my favorite, the Nam Nu. Oh my god, this is the best thing. I'm getting that for sure. Every single time I come here, it's so damn good. Our waiter is a subscriber. You know what that means, right? That means I have to tip fat. I'm just kidding, but I usually do every time because they're so nice. Dude, the food here is gonna be so good. I'm so hungry. I can't wait to eat. And then after this, we'll probably take my car to the beach, shoot some photos. I brought my film camera. I brought this old school handy cam that I just got too. So I want to test it out, try some of the footage. Probably just hang out on the beach, take you guys along. Oh my god, the presentation. Normally it's never cut up like this.
I know, I love it.
Yeah, this is nice.
Yeah, you can have the big ones.
So good. Best sauce ever. Here, you guys want some? So she got the banicani. And it looks so good. And this is all she feeds me.
You said you wanted a little bit.
Guys, I'm not really a soup person. I'm a dry food eater. I like barbecue and rice and stuff. I just want to try it.
There's greens in it. There's something.
Thanks.
Oh my god.
Alright, we made it back after eating. Car looks like it's down, so it's probably doing the coolant flush. We're also recharging the AC as well. After that, car should be good to go. Put back on the side skirts and maintenance is done. Made it to Seal Beach. Just a cute little fun date. Our little setup. We have a little umbrella, 2 seats, a little towel to keep some stuff. I have my cameras, gonna shoot some film and try out the new camera that I got. And we have sandwiches. You know, I feel like if we were 10, 15 years younger, we'd be all the way over there, but we're old, so we're all the way back here, right next to the parking lot.
Just away from everybody.
Exactly. We are going to kick it and eat some of these sandwiches. Oh, check out this new camera. Cute little setup. Now I can chill, eat a sandwich. Nice. Oh, nothing like a sandwich on the beach. It's so good. Don't mind if I do. Looking like a little beach day in the 90s.
If we were at the beach in the 90s, nobody would have an umbrella. Everybody would just be baking in the sun.
Everybody would be getting skin cancer.
Yeah.
Because back in the 90s, it was cool to get skin cancer. I don't even know if our audio is good on this. I'm just filming clips just to have clips.
No, it's okay.
Oh no. Fire truck. Somebody died. That's your RIP. We're gonna kick it, digest our food, enjoy this nice scenery for a bit, and then we might go on a run. It's my first time filming my car with this camera.
Show your camera and your car.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Alright, so we are starting our first jog together ever. Got new running shoes we gotta break in.
Oh, my shoes are already untied.
Intermission. I tightened mine. I might double knot them actually. We've been together for 7 years, never ran with each other, so we're gonna do a little jog. It's nice out, it's not hot. It is so pretty out here. Whew. We're flying. Look at all these nice houses. How do we feel with the shoes?
I like them.
Very pretty out here. Stop. Horsey on our run. No, it's a run. Not bad. We did 2 miles for our first ever run together, which is fun. A little bit of walking and running. Now we're back at the car. Car's looking clean. Babe, how you feeling? We did it. We did it. So I've been driving the car for about a week now, and it has been great. Car is running absolutely perfect. These are definitely some little maintenance things you need to do to this car if you own it, or just any car in general, honestly. Before I end today's video, I wanted to show you guys this new windshield cover I got. I've owned about like 2 or 3 windshield covers, and none of them worked as well as this one. This one is so good. I wanted one that was stiff and formed to the windshield really well, and it's perfect fit, like it's meant for the car. And with this one, you know, it's plain Jane, so you could put anything you want. You could put like a Lexus decal if you really wanted to. If you guys want to cop this, perfect fit for our cars, as well as the 2021 and up. They also have that option too. Link is in the description below. So worth it. This option that I got right here is about 59 bucks, and let me tell you, this is probably gonna last my car's lifetime. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. I know I've been slacking on the videos for months now, and I plan on making more. We just gotta wait for everything to come in and for things to line up. This is it for now. I'll catch you guys in the next video. One last look at the car real quick, because you guys haven't seen the car in so long. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later.